Hello everyone. In this video, I'll tell you how you can make your Instagram profile a very productive one and how it would be benefited to you in future. Okay, so let's move around. You can see there are certain pointers in the screen. Okay, so I'll discuss on these pointers specially. Okay, so first, let me show you. So when you are having an Instagram account, you need to take care of these pointers. Okay, so first one is the focus area, in which you need to define something and you need to keep focus on some important aspects. So first focus area is define bio. So basically, if you are using an Instagram account, then your bio should be set right, so that people who are coming to your profile could see you, who you are, and what you do. Okay, in this way, it would be benefited to them as well as benefited. Uh, you need to make them understand and make them know why they should follow you. Okay, so it is very important because people are looking for content, people are looking for uh, important content so that they could be benefited. Okay, so people should know why should they follow you. So these are the very important focus area wherein you need to uh, know all these. Okay, next is the focused content. So if you see, the first important part is you need to have a good content. Okay, so for that, it is very important to provide some tips and tricks regarding the content. Suppose you are a fitness coach. Okay, so in that particular niche, you have to show like what are the important aspects of a fitness trainer, or you can say what why your so you need to provide some tips and tricks regarding the fitness then. Okay, if you are a fitness coach, then so suppose it is very important to provide certain tips and tricks, then but then you need to have a micro niche to your content as well. Suppose I'm a doctor. Okay, so as a doctor, may be a specialist in uh, heart surgery, I may be a specialist in uh, gynecology. So these are the micro niche. Okay, so you need to select a micro niche and tell to your followers about that. Okay, so next comes interviews. So uh, you may interview certain people to provide the content uh, in your Instagram profile. Then comes, you need to give value proposition. You need to provide value. So there are people who just simply take the selfie or any picture and then upload it and put certain content. So people are not much interested in that apart from your own followers. Okay, fourth point is live interaction. So you can interact with people, with your friend, or so you can interact with your friend, right? You can interact with your coach, you can interact with your mentor, so that people should get some value insight. Okay, next is the profile theme. So basically, you need to keep a good profile theme. How you can keep? So there should be certain you can say your theme should have a profile, should have a particular color. Okay, so you need to focus on posting colors, then it would be appealing to the people outside. Okay, so moving toward profitable niche, there are many profitable niche currently available on Instagram. I'll give you some examples over here. Okay, so first one is travel blog. So these are certain profitable niche. So basically, if you are a traveler, you travel frequently. So here you can put some images and you can create certain beautiful content and people will follow you automatically. Okay. Second one is, so these are the, then comes pet care. So if you are having your pet, a cat or a dog, okay, so you can post something very insightful about that, and those who are interested in like having a pet, so they can follow you. Next comes lifestyle. Many people, they follow people who are having a great lifestyle. Suppose they there are people who follow an aviation sector, suppose a pilot. Okay, so they wanted to become a pilot, so they will follow these kind of people. Okay, so you can do a lifestyle blog. Then comes hotel. So if you are into a hotel business, you can keep certain important or beautiful stuffs related to the hotels. If you are a foodie, then you can keep certain blogs related to food, right? Then suppose if you are a fitness freak, you can have a great follower to that particular niche. Then there is one motivation. Okay, so people used to follow tend to follow these motivational blogs. So if you circulate some motivational quotes, people may follow you more often. So this is very interesting. So this is something called make money online. So if you know a perfect way to make money online, so you can engage your followers and you can get more followers regarding to that. Then if you are a business coach, so if business coach or business consultant related to any business, so you can gather good followers. Okay, so these are some examples of the profitable niche which you can keep. Now we'll understand what are some important okay, one more which I have forgot. So nowadays this is on a boom, which is digital marketing. So basically, if you are a digital marketer, you can give some tips and tricks regarding the digital marketing stuffs. So basically, I do social media marketing. So I keep on adding certain value on my particular profile. Okay, so let's see what are the skills required, right? So the number one skill is marketing strategy. So basically, you need to have these skills in you, so that like you can circulate, you can provide certain value addition and every time whenever you post. So you need to have marketing strategy, marketing skills. Okay, Next, you need to show certain skills related to creatives. So you need to understand, or you need to give certain important. You need to be good at creating creatives. So there are certain graphical creation methods. So one, I'll say Canva. You should be good at creating graphics or certain creatives on Canva, so that people should like on that particular graphical methods. So you can create some graphics and then you can uh, post it on your Instagram profile. People will be lured to see those graphics and people will follow you. You should be good at video editing. So this is one very important aspect. So if you know how to edit videos, so Instagram, there is one important terminologies like IGTV, Instagram TV. So basically, if you are good at creating videos, then you need to edit it and then you need to float it. Okay. So in this way, you can gain more followers. Then you should know about Instagram ads. So basically, I say Instagram ads is very important. Why? Because suppose you have created a good content, okay, and you are having very less followers, and you want your followers to grow, okay. So you can uh, invest some money on ad, and then accordingly you can target the people who are related to your niche. People will come to your profile once you float the ad, and then they will follow you once they like your content. So this is very important. Next is communication skills. It is very important, guys. Why? Because until and unless your communication skills are good, uh, people can see your profile. Yes, for a they can be retained for a while, but if you are good at communication skills, you will get more followers often. Okay. Next is very important. There are some platforms to make money. So basically, there are you might have heard about influencers, Instagram influencers, right? So there are certain influencers uh, who follow these platforms uh, to earn money. Okay. So there there are these platforms named. First one is Plexo. Okay, I'll tell you why these are important and how you can go about uh, how you can register yourself in these platforms in the next video. Okay, so these are the names currently. You can note it down. The second one is Flamebit. Sorry, it's Flamebit. Okay, next one is Grapevine. So these will be only applicable once you are having a good followers. So you can register yourself as an Instagram influencer once you are having a good number of followers. Until and unless you won't be a registered influencer. The fourth one is Aspire IQ. Okay, so these are some platforms wherein Inst Instagram influencers keep on targeting and they get money. So this is applicable only if you are having a good number of followers. Okay, so I'll discuss about what is the number should be there to be an Instagram follower. That would be taken care of later. You can ask me the question in the comment box. I'll tell you in that. Now, very important, how to gain more followers. So you need to be consistent in these. So first of all, you need to you need to post daily so that people will, basically you need to be consistent and people should see that you are consistent. Then only people will follow you. Okay. Next, daily story. So basically, with stories, people relate to you, right? So if you are having your own story, you can tell it and you can post it as a Instagram story. Okay. So these are the important things to gain the followers. Now comes the sponsorship. So sponsorship, we have seen some platforms to make money earlier. So these are the platforms, right? Wherein you register yourself as an Instagram influencer, and people get to see you and they contact you, okay, for their businesses. But then in sponsorship, you need to go to people and you need to describe yourself stating, sir, I am a influencer, okay, and I do marketing of these stuffs. You can hire me as a marketer. Okay. So in sponsorship, there are certain things which you need to showcase the business owners so that they can hire you. Okay. So first of all, you need to show the report, your own report. People, why should people hire you? Okay. So until and unless you are having a good follower base, people will not hire you as a marketer. So you need to increase your followers first, and then you need to provide the report to the client. Okay. Next is link click. So suppose you are having your own website and you are putting it as a link on Instagram bio. So people will be coming up, clicking on your link, and will get to know what you do, right? What is your niche all about, and uh, you need to provide these insight to the clients so that these customer, these clients will hire you. Okay, so you need to provide the link click report as well. Then comments. So basically you need to provide the engagement level. You can show to your uh, customers that number of comments are coming on your Instagram profile, on your post. Okay. Then related to it, number of likes, right? Then comes the number of views. So you can get it from Instagram insights. So you can I can tell you, like, with these Instagram insights you can show these reports to a customer. Okay, so I'll record one more video about the Instagram insights, how you can provide these insights to the clients. Okay. Next is very important, products. So suppose if you are a consultant, suppose you are a doctor, okay, So basically people will come to you and people will first take your consultancy. So you can so as a doctor you need to keep certain consultancy fees, right? In this way you will be earning more. Next comes courses. So if you are a mentor or if you are a fitness freak, you can run your own course related to fitness. Suppose if you are a digital marketer, then you can run your own course on digital marketing, okay? And you can earn money. Next, projects. So you can do certain projects, live projects, and show your clients. Next comes personal branding. So these are certain products which you can keep. You can brand yourself and then you can provide value to the client. Next, you can do affiliate marketing. So basically all these things depends on the number of followers which you are having and people why people should follow you. So these are the main important tactics which you need to learn and which you need to apply on your Instagram profile. Okay, thank you so much for this. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it, and if you want you can subscribe me, and I'm readily available on Instagram. You can click on my Instagram profile and follow me. Thank you.